Yoga teachers, this one's for you. I think that there's a little tweak that I want to make in my teachings and also to make really clear for people who want to get involved in Kundalini yoga. And this is true for any form of yoga, actually. So I think that there are schools of yoga and thoughts about yoga that there are no side effects and there are no consequences that have to be factored in, and that it's just good for you. And while I truly believe that, there's also the real aspect of it, which is yoga can change your life. Yoga will help build a nervous system that can sustain changes. And as we change and as we grow, there are going to be natural consequences of that. And some of them are not that comfortable. And so I think we as teachers also need to hold space for all the changes that our clients or students will be going through as they walk into a practice with us. And so it's not just about adjusting postures or measuring a breath count, but rather holding space for the possibility, the opportunity, the potential, and also reminding everyone that that's not always an easy journey. That's sometimes where the rubber hits the road and where our practice on the mat really serves us best off the mat. So that's the controversial thought, that there is no consequences to yoga. And I want to say, actually, there's lots of consequences. Are you ready? If so, then let's step onto the mat. So drop me a comment below. Let me know what you think. My name is Salima, yoga therapist. I've been teaching Kundalini yoga for about 15 years now.